Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update BigQuery BI Engine settings for improved performance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin updating your BigQuery BI Engine settings, sign in to your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the main menu. Select the project that contains your dataset. In the left pane, click on BI Engine. If BI Engine is not enabled, you will need to enable it for your project. Once BI Engine is enabled, click on the Settings tab. Under the Capacity section, review your current capacity settings. Adjust the capacity by moving the slider to the right to allocate more resources. You can also enter a specific number in the box if you prefer. After adjusting the capacity, click the Save button. Next, check the query cache settings to ensure they are optimized. Make sure that the cache option is enabled for frequently executed queries. Look at the connection pooling settings to manage the connections better. Increase the number of concurrent connections if you anticipate heavy load. Review the query performance metrics available for your BI Engine instance. These metrics will help you understand how your queries are performing. Consider scheduling regular reviews of your BI Engine settings based on these metrics. Finally, run a few test queries to monitor the impact of your changes. This will allow you to confirm that the adjustments are improving performance. That concludes the steps to update your BigQuery BI Engine settings for enhanced efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.